Morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unbagging from SG Normal, but we have this time 3 diamond paintings, 1 roll of heart-shaped stickers, okay, and a mold. I bought this mold before, but I got it again. Well, this is a promotional thing. But I got the code. Don't forget the discount code on the description box for SG Normal, okay? You get a discount code. Here they are. Remember this? Because I want to do like a pair of earrings at the same time, and I cannot do it if I'm using one mold. So, and these turn out to be nice and neat. Let me see if I have. This is the second mold that I got from them. And I saw it, let's say, let me get it because, let me see if I have the, yeah, I have my set over here. I have my chain over here that I did. You see, they turn out pretty nice, pretty neat. And the chain is good because I've been there. And I gotta see that. Yeah, I got my chain over here. That's how they turn out. And I want to do them because you can do them as earrings. Okay. So I wanted to do some more. And that's what I got the mold again, the second mold. I got the tape. I don't know. I bought this because, you know, it would be nice for me to put like a little price on it on the stuff that I'm doing that are good, of course. So if anyone is interested in any of the resin work, let me know. Okay, let's get into this. This one is a 30 by 40 and this is a kitten series. This is a kitten series. This is a toolkit. Ooh, okay, already compact. That's neat. You might be able to see some of the color, maybe not. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful, mommy. You're so beautiful. This one has 23 colors. You're so beautiful. 23 colors. All of them are letters. And it's pretty clear. Look at mommy. Mommy between the flowers. Mickey is kissing me my feet. He thinks I'm talking to him. I haven't picked up Mickey. As soon as I finish here filming, I'm gonna put him on my lap. He likes to cuddle with mommy. The drill field is clear, including in the dark areas. Okay, and this is very colorful. I like it. Look at the pinky cheeks. Oh, they're so beautiful. Let's see some of the color. But the thing is, I won't take him out of the bag because I don't like to disturb the, you know. But take a look at these colors. Take a look at these, how colorful they are. Okay, for the flowers. And drills are pretty good. They're nice and shiny. Okay, let me put it back in here. So this is what's going to happen. Let me put this back here. And this in here. Okay, let's get to the next one. This is another kitten. Again, the basic toolkit, and again, the colors are already bagged for your convenience. And this one is a little different. It might look the same, but it's not. The kitten is bigger. This one has 22 colors. But it seems like that in this series, the predominant color is pink and red. Take a look at those gorgeous eyes. The glue is 22 colors and all of them are letters. The glue is, okay, it's very sticky. Okay, the drill field is very clear. And take a look at those gorgeous eyes. This is beautiful. Oh, mommy. Mommy, I love it. You see, this is different from the other one. Let me show you the other one on the side. They might look the same, but it's not. You see, this one is flower. The kitten is white and it's more pinky. And it's a smaller kitten. And this one is a bigger kit. How beautiful it is. I love them. They're cute, 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 cute. Cuteness overload with these kittens. Where is the opening of this? Okay, here it is on this side. Oh, this one doesn't have the number, so I'm going to have to put it with the this one. Take a look at these colors. They're beautiful. There's a lot of red in this one. Red and pinks. Let me pick the color over here. I like this one. Just a little bit, but the color looks kind of different in the camera, but it's like a mauve color, a dark mauve. Okay, so let me write the number on this one because it didn't have the sticker with the number, and I hate to. This is B6386. And you can see it has more red and pinks on this one. Okay. And the last but not the least, This is another 30 by 40. This is a special shape. Again, the basic toolkit, which you can do the diamond painting with. We're gonna look at those special shapes. These are all I'm getting is brand new arrivals. I'm not getting anything old. This is a partial. I like it. Have kind of a dream catcher beam. The glue doesn't come out. Yeah, that is great. It has only 6 colors and it's a 30 by 40. Take a look at this. Those are very pretty. A lot of special drills, a lot. That is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's take a look at those special drills. Only 6 colors. Only 6 colors. Take a look at this. It kind of has some dust, the bag. There is some yellow, some green, look at this pink half pearl AB with the AB treatment. You got the teardrop, faceted teardrop. Faceted is better because the light, you know, bounces more. And then there are AB, and then these are the small marquees. Okay, so folks, this is it for today's unbagging of Edgy Normal. Have a wonderful week. Be safe out there. A lot of shooting. A lot of massacres. So be careful. Okay? So thank you for watching. Give it the thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please comment below regarding this unboxing, which one you like, whatever. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. That's the most important thing. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.